Hey, what's up you guys? Tiffany Jasmine. I'm back with another video. And today it is a hot day in LA. Hot week, so yeah, I'm planning the week out for this weather because this weather is something else. Right now, I'm rearranging the room because Derek moved out all his stuff, so now I can fix everything. So I threw on a goofy movie. I'm about to wipe these walls down. I already did this wall. It's all fresh and clean. And I like touched them little spots up that the kids kind of messed up with a little bit of paint. This movie is too loud. Hold on. But yeah, tomorrow, I forget what. I have Pilates. Because I told you guys I slacked and I didn't even go this week. So today we're going to go to the beach and I have to drop Tiara to her dentist appointment. So it's like a somewhat kind of a, I don't know, week. We rearrange their toys to be on this wall instead.
Day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've had enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Today than catch today. I just take it day by day.
Hey guys, I decided to get dressed a little bit. Okay, just fixed up. I'm gonna show you guys, even though the boys already are playing with these things, but I moved these. They're from here, I moved them over here, and I reorganized that, and I moved the couch back because it was over there and that's over there, and Derek's stuff is gone, so yeah. And then I decided to just get dressed a little because I'm not even dressed, I'm like in loungewear, guys, so it's nothing like crazy. I have three very old bananas and I want to make banana bread, and I need to film. See, this is why I need two cameras. I want to film on my phone, but then I want to film on my phone, but then I need to do it on here because the quality is really good. I low-key need to download the app. I forgot about it. Oh, it's no app because then I can see, and I think it would be better if I could do it that way. And then with TikTok, you don't have to show a lot of clips, you just gotta have like a couple seconds. So I think I could just do that and then flip it back to like the vlog style, because I think my vlogs to be an hour. I've been making like 15, 20, and I really, bro, watch out, Rev. Rev's demanding attention. You gonna make banana muffins? Yeah. Well, I do. And then I'll bake a chicken today too. You wanna say hi? Hi, Rev. Look up. Say hi.
No. Hi.
You wanna bake a chicken?
No.
Yes.
Okay.
Bake a chicken. Dirty. Say Sonic's on the run. Sonic. Yeah. Go. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Gotta go faster. Fast. Sonic. Hey. Alright, guys.
Okay.
You did? You want to take a bath?
Yeah.
Yeah. You take a bath after I finish what I have to do, because I gotta watch y'all. I tell you guys, I have fixed my matcha area, a basket for my whisk and all that, and my keys, and this cup that I don't use. But yeah. Oh, this actually goes down here. I'm tripping. And then my matcha cup. And I switched the plant. But now I'm about to tackle this Trader Joe's chicken. I need to make my the banana muffins. I just like to cook while the sun is out, because that's when your food looks like. That's what I'm gonna do. I need to clean the chicken. Oh, the only thing I hate about making whole chicken is cleaning the chicken. I need to do that. That's what I'm going to do. Rip, but I don't want to show it because I don't know how my meat people are. So, oh, let me take my rings off. I don't know how my meat people are, so I don't want to. Oh my god, over Me and Jasmine, we watch Real Housewives, like I said, and she's home, so I'm about to start. You hungry? So yeah, we're gonna start the show, so it's perfect because then I can watch it. Wow, my computer's taking forever. Well, I guess I'll do that. I can get my butter and stuff. Oh, I'll make sure. And I do need to make rice. Get that ready while my computer is locked for a minute. Gotta make a lot because the boys love rice. Alright, and my two veggie time. So I just made my seasoned marinade with my avocado oil. Oh, you can't even see me. And then I'm gonna add the butter to it too. These are my veggies and all that stuff in there. Like, if I could eat it like I would. Oh, and I forgot my lemon. Hold on. Squeeze it in your thing. And then you squeeze it. You put the lemon inside with the chicken. It's unsalted. Make sure it's always unsalted. I'm about to make this banana bread. Oh yeah, they're fine.
120 centimeters.
I think we're about to come help. You want to run Sonic? No. Oh. Add some vanilla. You don't have to bounce. Slow down. Go, mix. You don't want to help? You want to come on? Thank you. Bye-bye. No, it goes both on here. Why are you pushing? Oh, you're heavy. Woo! Bro, wait, pay attention. Here, y'all, we got them muffs, so y'all already know. They looking nice. Eat one for the team, aka me. Let's see, the most roundest one. And I got leftover batter. Let's try it out. Ooh, that is good. Guys, food is done. And I'm gonna show you guys the chicken. I need some light. The chicken is done. I'm so excited to eat because your girl is freaking hungry. The best. Mouse has everything. You want to see the book, Phoenix? No. Everything he needs to make cookies. Salt and a little music. Oh no, my eggs!
Oh no!
The drop, the lot of the plot. Such things as too many cookies.
Over there.
But the best cookie is the one he shares with a friend.
No.
Here you go. Just ask Mouse. The end.
Scared to go camping? Who has a hard time staying in new places?
Talking a lot. Sorry, I'm faded. Think I forgot. You love me. You love me. You love me. Gotta shift at 10 a.m. Gotta dip at 10 p.m. Gotta get that cash. Won't get past the lunch.
done. And now I'm just picking leftover stuff the kids made. Guys, good morning guys, brand new day, and right now it is 11:35 p.m. and Tiara, I dropped Tiara off to her dentist appointment, but she's literally done, so I was only sitting here for not that long. I was literally editing right now for the vlog that this is being added to on this vlog, so I'm editing right now. I can't I only have one SD card. I literally need to go buy an SD card. Oh, Tiara here.
Don't record.
I'm not but yeah, and I went and got my nails done yesterday, but I didn't really vlog that or anything. Why is it on the side like that?
Because that's the side they did.
But why are you making your lip like that?
I'm not.
Oh. Guys, we are at the beach. I was vlogging on my phone, but I had no more storage. Yeah! Look, Riv is showing me his cup of sand. Wow. We're just big vibing.